At the height of summer travel season, Britain voted to leave the European Union. Shockwaves of the decision were felt far and wide, and on Wall Street, the Dow dropped more than 500 points. But how will the historic Brexit vote affect summer air travel? In two ways. For Americans flying to the UK, expect cheap fares. US dollars are worth a lot more in the aftermath of the Brexit vote, with the value of the British pound dropping to its lowest rate in 30 years. Travel experts say Americans can snag a round-trip ticket in the $400 to $500 range, compared to the $1,800 range 2 to 3 years ago. But Europe's cheap air travel companies are at risk because of the vote. For 20 years, the rule had been that any airline based in a European Union country could fly anywhere within the single market whenever it wanted. With the Brexit ruling, Britain will need to negotiate a new access to that single aviation market. London's low-cost airline company EasyJet just warned investors profits would likely suffer. Same with Ryanair. Even though they're based in Dublin, the low-cost carrier expects fares to jump because of the dozen airports they have based in Britain, meaning they'll also have to negotiate access to the market. Looks like everything's up in the air for now. I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.